welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we will be doing a makeup tutorial on this look. But by the way, I just want to thank all the subscribers I have. Currently, we have 205 subscribers na. So thank you so much. I hope mas marami pang sumuporta dito sa channel to. Alam ko maliit na bilang pa yon, bilang isang YouTuber, pero malaking bagay na yon para sa akin. So yon, thank you guys. And let's proceed na sa ating video. If you want to know how I get this look, just keep on watching.
Starting with clean and moisturized face, I'm just priming it with a Fix and Fix Pore from Etude House. So for the brows, I'll be using this Deep Brow Pomade in the shade Soft Brown from Anastasia Beverly Hills. So guys, I'll be having a brow tutorial soon, so just stay tuned on my channel, okay? So, di masyado maganda yung brows na nagawa ko dito. We're not perfect, okay? To carve out my brows, I'll be using the LA Pro Conceal. So, I'm just cleaning out the edges of it. Priming the lids as well using the same concealer. And then blending it out. Next is a concealer close to my skin color so that I can carve out the top part of the brows. Using the Coty Airspun translucent setting powder, I'm just setting the lids. Using this Morphe 24G palette and that shade as a transition shade. And then putting this color on the outer V of the eye, and then putting this as well on the inner corners to prepare it on the halo eye look. And then Too Faced chocolate bar palette using the darker shade on the same area but on a smaller brush. Doing the same thing a while ago, and then blending everything out using another clean brush. So for this look, blending is very important so that everything looks seamless. Next is Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade 15 Fair. I'm just concealing the middle part of the lids so that mas magpa-pop yung color na ilalagay natin doon. And then next is the Makeup Revolution Blush Palette. I choose that golden color and put it on the middle part of the lids. So I'm going to put lashes already. This is the Taiwan lashes in the style of M14. For foundation, Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation from Nars and the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte. So I'm just mixing them too. I love this combination because the other one is matte and the other one is satin looking. For concealing my bags and highlighting some parts of my face, I'm using the LA Girl Pro Conceal. Just blending it as well with a damp sponge. So for contouring, I will be using this colorette color tint in the shade Jordan. Sobrang multi-purpose nitong tints nila and they look so beautiful as well. Using this as a contour. Ang ganda lang niya tignan. Well, blending it with a sponge looks better. So here, I'm just setting those areas where I put concealer. Using this shade as a blush. So, medyo napasobra tayo dito, but I'm going to fix that. And for highlighter, I'm using this Everbelena Advanced highlighter in the shade Strobe. Napakaganda nito. So going back to this palette, just using that darker shade, medyo mini-mimic ko lang yung ginawa ko sa aking lids. So yun, putting that shade on the center. And then using this shade as a nose contour para medyo magtangos-tangos naman yung ilong natin. And then using this brow soap to achieve that feathery looking brows, which I love. Going back to this color tint, I'm just going to use it on my lips. putting highlighter a little bit.
So yes, that's it for today. This is the final look na ginawa ko. And yun guys, sa previous video ko may nagpapa shoutout. So mga friends ko lang din naman pero gusto nila magpa-shoutout. So a shoutout nga pala shoutout ka pala kay Gab sa Las Piñas, best friend ko. Shoutout din pala kay Chams. Yon, thank you so much sa panonood sa videos ko. And shoutout nga rin pala sa ate at kuya ko. And by the way guys, meron silang business. They are baking goodies. Meron silang brownies, butterscotch, and caramel bar. Sobrang sarap guys. So if you want to order, just check the description box. Iiwanan ko doon yung mga Facebook links nila to order their goodies. Sobrang sarap guys, hindi kayo magsisisi. So yun guys. And guys, by the way, humingi rin ako ng favor guys na mag-iwan kayo ng questions about me, ng mga gusto nyong malaman na bagay about me sa comment box below. Para sa susunod nating video, magkakaroon tayo ng Q&A. Yun. And sa mga social media, account ko din, mag-iiwan din ako ng pwedeng pag-iwanan nyo ng questions regarding the next video. And guys, I want to inform you as well that I'm going to change the name of my YouTube channel. Gusto ko kasi magkahiwala yung business, makeup artistry business ko, tsaka itong channel na to. So that, meron akong dalawang platform, which is yung makeup artistry and then yung YouTube channel. So yun guys, thank you so much for your continuous support and I hope mas dumami pa tayo. So yun guys, thank you so much for watching. Kung nagustuhan mo tong video na to, feel free to like this video. And kung bago ka lang dito sa channel ko, feel free to subscribe, click that bell button next to it. And yun, feel free to leave comments down below if you want to request. And also yung questions na sinasabi ko, iwanan nyo lang sa comment box below. So yun guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye!